Welcome back, students. In this class of fractions and decimals, chapter 2, exercise 2.3, question 3 will continue. We have the last problem in the question 3, that is the 7th one. Question 3, 5, 6 and 7th problem is there. Then we move on to question 4. So what is the problem is 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. What was the question is multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. So take this 4 by 7 is equal to 7 into 3 plus 4 by 7. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 25 by 7. Now substitute here 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. So we can simplify, that is 5 ones are 5 5s are. So you will get 75, then 5 into 3 by 7 into 1. So (15 by 7) will get 15 by 7, or you can directly multiply this, that is 25 into 3 and 7 into 5 will get 75 by 35, both are same. Then 15s are same thing, 15s are, and this is 7, both are same, 15 by 7 for the simplify and write. So reducing to the lowest. Now we have to go on reducing to the lowest and make the solution very simple. There are 5. This will be improper fraction. Convert it to mixed fraction. Convert to mixed fraction. Then 15 by 7 is 7 divided by 15. 7 2s are 14, 1 remainder. So write in this form. Therefore 2 1 by 7 is the answer. Now we move on. This ends the question 3. We move on to the question 4. Question 4, first one is, which is greater? Which is greater? So 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by, out of which is greater? Therefore we can write this one as 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. We can further simplify this. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then 1 into 3 by 7 into 2. 1 into 3 by 7 into 2, which will be 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. So we got from the first as 7 by 14. So next step is, this is question 4. Then first one, Then second part is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8, which can be written as 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Excuse me. Therefore, we can simplify this as 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 cancel. Then 3 by 8. So now we have to convert these fractions to like fractions into like fractions. Like a fraction means denominators of both should be there to convert. For this we have the first part we got as first part is 3 by 14 we got. So now we have to convert this into, I'll write this as 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 we got as this one. Then next is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 we got as 3 by 8. This is another part. Now we have see which one is the greater. So for this 3 by 4, and then we have to make the denominator equal first. For the first type we will take 3 by 14, then multiply and divide by 4 by 4. If it cancels you will get 1 only. So 3 into 4 by 14 into 4 will become 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 12, then 14 into 4 will become 56. So 56, this is the answer for the first part. Now we move on to this second part, that is 3 by 8 we are getting. So we have to make this also denominator as 56. For that we have to multiply and divide by 7. 7 and 7 if you cancel you will get same. So 3 into 7, 8 into 7, which is equal to 21 by 56. So see, we get 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 14, which we get answer as 12 by 56. Then 3 by 5 of 5 by 8, 3 by 8. (21 by 56). So which is greater? This one, that is 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. So finally we can write it as 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 1/4. So this is the solution for this problem. That is 3 by 8 is greater . Oh yeah, 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 40. This is the solution for the which one? Question 4, first problem. So we move on to the question 4, second problem. Question 4, second problem. That is half of 1 by 4 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Which is greater? First we take this half of 6 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. 2 ones are 2 threes. This will become 1 into 3 by 7, which is 1 into 3, 1 into 7, which is equal to 3 by 7. Excuse me, 3 by 7. Then next part we'll take this part, 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. You can write it as 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. Now we can see 3 cancels. So answer is 2 by 7. Now take these two. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to how much we get? 3 by 7. And 2 by 3 of 3 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7 we are getting. 2 by 7. So which is greater? So 3 by 7. 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Thus this one, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. So this is the solution. So we have to find out which is the greater of this. So I'll explain once again the question 2. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. We have to find out which is greater out of this. So take this first. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. We can further divide as 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then this becomes 1 by 1 into 3 by 7. Therefore we can write it as 1 into 3 by 1 into 7, which is equal to 3 by 7. Next, 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 3 cancels. We can write it as 2 by 7. Now 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. Now 3 by 7 is both have same denominator, so 3 is greater than 2. Therefore 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Finally 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. So again for this first problem, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Simplify, we get 3 by 8. Now we have to convert 3 by 8. Again we have to convert these to the like fractions. So like fraction is what? We get 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is 13 by 3 by 14. 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. So we have to convert this as the denominator should be equal. To convert it, we'll divide and multiply by 4. Then we get 12 by 56. Again for this one we have to divide and multiply by 7. Then we get 21 by 56. Both having the same denominator. So substitute this, we'll get, from this we get 12 by 56, from this we get 21 by 56. So 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. Therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8, and 2 by 7 of 3 by 8, this one is greater than 13 by 14. So this is the solution for the question 4, first and second problem. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.